Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to delete a wish list on GoWish. Now, if you want to delete your wish list on GoWish but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing what you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the GoWish app on a device. So if you have not installed the GoWish app, you just need to make sure to install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that, you just need to open the GoWish app and make sure that you are logged into your account. So if you are not logged into your account, then you won't be able to delete the wish list which you have created. So here you will see the various options of wish list, activity, inspiration, friends, and all of it. So in the wish list section, you will see the my wish list option. So if you click on it here, you will be able to see all of the wish list which you have created. So simply click on the three dots next to the wish list which you want to delete, and here you will see the option of share wish list, edit wish list, reset reservation, or archive wish list. So there is no option of delete the wish list, but the thing which you can do is you can simply archive the wish list, and it says you find the archive in the mail in the top right corner, and if you wish to restore upon when you delete your wish list, you can click on the option of archive. So after archiving the wish list,